Welcome to our cutting-edge production site here in Luxembourg, a pioneering facility that is setting new standards in sustainable manufacturing. In 1994, we laid foundation of what would become a hub of innovation and excellence in wood-based panel industry. Fast forward to 2017, we embarked on an investment program of over 1 billion euros, which transformed this site into the most modern, climate-positive facility of its kind. This has given us the possibility to offer an unrivaled product portfolio, which includes OSB, MDF, particle board, melamine face products and laminate flooring, all available from one point in the heart of Europe. The latest investment is a state-of-the-art particle board line with an annual capacity of over 1 million cubic meters using 100% recycled wood. To support our value-added ambition, we built 3 new melamine-facing presses, which allow us to produce the entire Kronospan range in a variety of lengths and widths to accommodate all the markets around the world. With a staggering capacity of 2.2 million cubic meters a year of raw product and a facing capacity of 72 million square meters, Kronospan Luxembourg stands as a shining example of productivity and efficiency in the heart of Western Europe, with access to multiple markets. Embracing sustainability, we have made significant investment in renewable energy, hosting 3 combined heat and power plants and photovoltaic panels on all available roof space. This has made the facility self-sufficient in renewable energy. In addition, the energy that we're not utilized here in the plant is exported to the grid, contributing significantly to Luxembourg's renewable energy landscape. Over the years, this facility has continued to expand and evolve its capabilities. From local deliveries to Western Europe, across the continent and beyond, Kronospan Luxembourg is redefining excellence in wood-based panel industry.